Hey health champions! Are you one of those people who gets to the end of the day and realizes you've barely had any water? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm sharing 10 game-changing strategies that will help you stay perfectly hydrated without even thinking about it. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete hydration system that actually works for real life. So grab your water bottle and let's dive in. Strategy 1, the morning kickstart. First up, start every single morning with water. Here's why this is crucial: you've just gone 6 to 8 hours without any fluid intake. Your body is naturally dehydrated when you wake up. Here's what I want you to do: keep a full glass of water on your nightstand tonight. As soon as your eyes open tomorrow, before you check your phone, before you get out of bed, drink that entire glass. This does 3 amazing things: it rehydrates your body, kickstarts your metabolism, and creates a positive habit that sets the tone for your entire day. Strategy 2, the 8x8 rule made simple. You've probably heard of the 8x8 rule, 8 glasses of 8 ounces each day. That's about 2 liters or half a gallon. But here's the thing, this is just a baseline. If you exercise, live somewhere hot, are pregnant, or breastfeeding, you need more water. The best way to know if you're drinking enough: check your pee. I know, but this is science. The pee test is your personal hydration monitor. Pale yellow or clear means you're crushing it. This is exactly what you want to see. It means you're well hydrated. Dark yellow or amber means drink up immediately. You're likely mildly dehydrated and need to drink more water ASAP. Brownish, emergency. This could indicate severe dehydration or other health issues. Seek medical attention immediately. Your kidneys will thank you for paying attention to these signals. Strategy 3, the water bottle game changer. This might sound obvious, but having the right water bottle changes everything. I'm talking about finding one you actually love using. Look for these features: easy to clean, fits in your cup holder, has measurement markers so you can track intake, and most importantly, you think it looks cool. I personally love insulated bottles because they keep water at the perfect temperature. Keep it visible. On your desk, in your car, next to your couch. When water is out of sight, it's out of mind, but when it's right there staring at you, you'll naturally take sips throughout the day. Strategy 4, technology to the rescue. Let your phone become your hydration coach. Set hourly reminders with fun messages like, "Water time, superstar," or, "Your cells are thirsty." There are amazing apps like Waterminder, Hydro Coach, or Plant Nanny that gamify water drinking. Some let you grow virtual plants by drinking water. How cute is that? The key is finding a system that doesn't feel annoying. Start with 3 to 4 reminders per day, then increase as it becomes natural. Your future hydrated self will thank you. Strategy 5, eat your water. Here's something most people don't know: you can literally eat your water. About 20% of your daily fluid intake comes from food. The superstars of hydration: watermelon, 92% water, cucumbers, 96% water, oranges, strawberries, lettuce, tomatoes, and soups. This is especially helpful if you struggle with drinking plain water. A big salad, fruit smoothie, or vegetable soup and broths all contribute significantly to your hydration goals while giving you valuable nutrients. It's a total win-win. Strategy 6, make water exciting. If plain water tastes boring to you, let's fix that right now. Natural flavoring is your best friend. Try these combinations: lemon and mint, cucumber and lime, berries and basil, or orange and cinnamon. You can prep these in the morning and let them infuse throughout the day. Sparkling water with a splash of 100% fruit juice is another great option. The bubbles make it feel special, and you get natural flavor without artificial additives. Experiment until you find flavors that make you actually want to drink more water. Strategy 7, limit dehydrating drinks. While a little caffeine is fine, excessive coffee or energy drinks can have a diuretic effect, make you pee more. And definitely limit sugary sodas and excessive alcohol, as they can actually dehydrate you more than they hydrate. If you do have a caffeinated or alcoholic drink, try to match it with a glass of water. Strategy 8, habit stacking magic. This is where the magic happens, linking water to things you already do. Here are my favorites. Drink water before every meal, helps with digestion too, after every bathroom break, when you sit down at your computer, during TV commercial breaks, or while your coffee is brewing. Hot beverage. The beauty of this system is that you're not relying on willpower or memory, you're just adding water to routines you already have. Start with 2 to 3 habit stacks, then add more as they become automatic. Strategy 9. Listen to your body. Your body is constantly sending you signals, learn to listen. Don't wait until you feel thirsty, that's actually your body saying, hey, I needed water 15 minutes ago. Early warning signs, dry mouth, fatigue, mild headache, or darker urine. The moment you notice any of these, drink water immediately. Your body will start trusting you to meet its needs, and you'll feel so much better throughout the day. Strategy 10. The Water Buddy System. Challenge a friend or family member to a hydration contest. A little friendly competition can keep you motivated. Alright, health champions. There you have it, 10 proven strategies to stay perfectly hydrated every single day. Remember, you don't need to implement all of these at once. Pick 2 to 3 that resonate with you most, master those, then gradually add others. Your assignment: try the morning glass of water trick for the next 7 days and let me know how you feel. Which strategy are you most excited to try? And if you have any hydration hacks I missed, share them below in the comment section. I love learning from this amazing community. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical health tips that actually work in real life, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay hydrated.